So utterly pathetic, Donald Trump using the Justice Department to try to block a deposition of Donald Trump. He talks a tough game, but he's always scared to sit for depositions. In past cases, we saw him invoke the Fifth Amendment sometimes. We've seen him, when Michael Cohen was involved in a lawsuit where Trump sued Cohen, Donald Trump dismissed the case against Cohen when Cohen sought his deposition. When Donald Trump has sat for a deposition, it's been like horrible. Like, you actually see how addled the guy is and what a liar he is, and he can't even get out sentences. And so now Donald Trump's using the apparatus, though, of the Department of Justice to try to block a deposition in a case that's brought by members of Congress, former members of Congress, Capitol Police, in connection with Donald Trump's involvement in the January 6th insurrection. You may recall that a civil case was filed against Donald Trump back in 2021. It's against Donald Trump in his individual capacity. And Donald Trump tried everything to block this case, to get this case dismissed, to claim that it was part of official acts. He was doing everything to get this case dismissed. There's a number of cases that ultimately were consolidated with the caption Barbara Lee, who's now a mayor of Oakland. She used to be a member of Congress versus, I've interviewed her before, versus Donald Trump. And now Judge Mehta issued a ruling basically saying the condition to stay discovery against any defendant or third party in these matters is no longer existing, with the court having ruled on defendant Trump's immunity motions. Accordingly, the parties in these consolidated cases shall meet and confer by May 1st, 2026, which is Friday, and come up with a discovery plan. And so get going. It's a case. You've delayed this, Donald, since 2021. The judge is saying, all of your challenges where you claim this immunity and that grant basis dismissed, we've rejected those. We're going. So you're a litigant. Just grow up, sit for a deposition. And then Donald Trump filed an immediate emergency motion saying, no, I can't sit for a deposition. I'm too busy. I can't involve myself with litigation right now. I'm doing things like attending golf tournaments at Mar-a-Lago or Doral, Miami, that people aren't showing up to, or building golden ballrooms or triumphal arches, or putting my face on people's passports or national park card photos. And I'm focused on a UFC fight at the White House. That's what the American people who are struggling with say. We need a UFC fight. I'm busy.